Hey everyone, so one of the questions that I get pretty often is how do I copy a test from one section to another section? And that's definitely something that you want to learn because putting a test in a Blackboard is kind of difficult. So let me walk you through that process real quick. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to your left-hand navigation menu, and I like to call it the filing cabinet. And I slide all the way down to where the course tools option is. And then you might have to spin that open so that you see all of the course tools, and you're just gonna keep going till you get to the bottom where it says tests, surveys, and pools. Anytime you create a test within Blackboard, it's going to live here. Even no matter where you have it deployed in your course, you can always see the full list of tests there. So now I'm gonna click on tests, and it's gonna show me all of the tests that I have in this section so far. Now to copy it, it's not as simple as just right here where you copy. Even though it says copy there, that's not how you move it from one section to another. So we're going to go to export to local computer. What that's going to do is that's going to package it all up nice and neat. I want you to think like maybe like putting in a lunchbox or something. And then we're going to carry that lunchbox over to the other course. So I can see it's popped up down here at the bottom in my downloads so that I know that it's downloaded to my computer. And now I'm going to head over to my course list to the course that I want to put it in. So that one was section 05. I'm going to go drop it into section 06. Same thing applies. I'm going to come down to my course tools. I'm going to go down to where all of the tests live in tests, surveys, and pools. And then I'm going to click on tests. And instead of build test, this time I'm going to import test. And I'm going to point this at my downloads folder. I'm going to point it towards the file that I want to bring in. Hit open and submit. Don't forget that submit button is always hiding over here in the corner. And I can see now that the package has been processed. Everything looks good. If there was something wrong, I would get a big red bar up here. So since it's blue, that means it's good to go. And all I have to do is hit OK. And now I can see that test has been moved over into this section. Now I can go deploy it in my course wherever I'd like. And if you're not sure how to deploy, you just go into your section that you want to deploy it into. And now when I use assessment test, you'll see I have the ability to deploy it here within the course. So that's it.